Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to link a joint account to Lendingclub. Linking a joint account is going to allow you and another account holder to manage funds together. So let me show you how to do that. The first step is to log into Lendingclub. So just open the app, or you can just choose to sign in on the Lendingclub's website using your credentials. But once you're in, you're going to navigate to account settings. So just go to linked accounts and find the add accounts option. Now you're going to choose account type. So you can just select joint checking or savings accounts as the account type. Next is to enter account details. So just go ahead and provide the account number, the routing number, and the joint holder's name. Next is to verify ownership. Now just complete any verification steps such as micro deposits or authentication codes to the joint holder. Once that's done, the final step is to confirm linking. So once verified, the joint account will appear on your Lendingclub dashboard, ready to transfer and make payments. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.